Welcome to my YouTube channel CarHunt, where machines defy gravity and imagination takes flight. Today, let's dive into Britain's next-generation marvel, the Tempest Fighter Jet, a glimpse into the future of aerial dominance, built for 2026 and beyond. The sky is changing. As rival nations push boundaries, the United Kingdom has stepped forward with a machine that isn't just advanced, it's visionary. Named after a storm, the Tempest is more than just a fighter jet. It's Britain's declaration that the future of air superiority is already in motion. Externally, the Tempest is a sleek, stealth-optimized machine. With its sharp, angular lines and radar-deflecting profile, it looks like a spacecraft from a futuristic film. The design reflects years of aeronautical evolution, minimal drag, maximum stealth, and high maneuverability. This jet doesn't just fly through the sky. It glides like a whisper, unseen and unstoppable. Step inside its digital cockpit and you're stepping into tomorrow. The Tempest features a fully augmented reality interface. No more traditional dials and switches. Pilots wear a helmet that provides a 360-degree digital view, merging the real world with enhanced data overlays. AI onboard acts as a co-pilot, analyzing threats, suggesting maneuvers, and even taking over if needed. It's like flying with a genius companion at your side. Performance-wise, the Tempest is expected to break limits. Its engines will allow Supercruise, sustained supersonic flight without afterburners. That means speed, stealth, and range all in one. Its airframe is modular, allowing quick adaptation to different missions, whether air-to-air combat, electronic warfare, or precision strikes. The Tempest also comes equipped with swarming drone control, meaning it can command unmanned aircraft mid-flight, changing the rules of the battlefield. But the most impressive part? This brain. The Tempest is being developed with next-gen AI and cloud networking, allowing it to share and receive real-time battlefield data across multiple platforms. It's not just a jet, it's a flying data hub. In terms of safety, this aircraft is light years ahead. With predictive AI, damage control, and electronic shielding against cyber attacks, it doesn't just protect its pilot, it protects its mission. As the UK collaborates with Japan and Italy under the Global Combat Air Program, the Tempest symbolizes more than power. It stands for unity in tech innovation. A sixth-generation warbird ready to dominate skies from Europe to the Indo-Pacific. So as 2026 approaches, the world is watching Britain's boldest air leap yet. The Tempest isn't just coming. It's already rewriting the sky. Don't forget to subscribe to CarHunt for more cinematic deep dives into the world's most advanced machines. Until next time, keep your eyes on the sky.